Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the password in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then tap on account security, and here at the top we find password. We can tap on add, and now we can set a password for our account, and this way we can ensure that only we can access the account. And yeah, we can enter 8 characters or more, and then tap on submit, and that's going to be our password. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.